Hello, friends. We are here in Organized Self Employment Ministry 19th session. As we know, we are gathering for Organized Self Employment Ministry and budget formation. We have annual budget 100 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry. But we require one more ministry and budget, that is Organized Self Employment Ministry and budget. By the concept of me, that is right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 year for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month, showing to organized self-employment ministry is self-employment government job. We should have constitutional life between 0 to 18 if required, and 18 to 58 for we all photo election card holder, so that fiscal credit can come to each and every household. I am Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407. Mobile number 639736017. This is my book Truth Only Trumps, which is explained in 218 pages and in 6 form, 218 into 6. In this book I have tried to explain and I have tried to solve this concept in the form of 6 family, so that everyone can understand and can purchase this book from the bookshop and from me. 639736017. This book teaches us that we are belonging from 6 unborn family. This book is teaching us about organized self-employment ministry. This book is teaching us self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, showing is self-employment government job. Apart from this, I have made this fiscal credit table. This fiscal credit table is the organized self-employment ministry system of working, because organized self-employment ministry and budget teaches us that 70% of the people we are irregular earner. We all have to earn, and by this fiscal credit table we can earn regular. By this fiscal credit we can earn regular, because this is a constitutional track, like a railway fare table, like airways fare table. In this we have made a constitutional track of illiterate, signature known, 5th pass, 8th pass, 10th pass, graduation, postgraduate, then MPhil, DLET and PhD. All constitutional track between 0 to 18 if required, and 18 to 58 for one and all, so that we can move in the constitutional way. The merit of this fiscal credit table is that if we are irregular income earner from 0 to 18 years, the fiscal credit salary gives a constitutional path by which that much all over India in uniform manner we are able to make. For this I have tried to explain the homely principle of mine, that is from Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407. Mobile number 639736017. That my room 1 to 6 we have to look from the Rashtrapati Bhavan and from the governor outside. In the first room, that is Shiv Shakti, that is Shiv Puran, the 12 Jyotir Mandir. The shadow documents of the mandir we can put like this: Vishwanath and Annapurna of Kasi, Mahakal and Mahakali of the Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. We can put the shadow of documents of the Kedarnath in the Uttarakhand, the Shiv and Parvati documents of mandir. We can put the mandir of the Somnath, Gujarat, Somnath Mandir, Gujarat. We can put the shadow documents of Bhim Shankar, Shiv Shakti Mandir of Pune, near Pune, Bhim Shankar, Maharashtra. We can put the other Bharat Jyotirling Mandir, and for the conceptualization I have put it welfare 1, welfare 2, welfare power 1, welfare power 2, welfare power 3, welfare power 4, welfare power 6, welfare power 7, like this up till 12. Then we have to put 12 Banarsi sari and dhoti, and then again to understand the concept 16.66% Aadhaar card, photo election ID card, passport and PAN card, employment, automatically the wave of blessing coming from Kailash Dham and documented by our self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credits showing. Then similarly in the Vishnu Lakshmi, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, the 12 Jyotir Mandir, the Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir of Ayodhya, that is Ram Sita Mandir, from 31st August 1946 and present also, and the Vishnu Lakshmi Krishna Radha Mandir of Mathura, shadow document, and shadow document of the Dwarika Krishna Radha Mandir. Then shadow documents of Badrinaran Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, the shadow document of Tirupati Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, and shadow documents of the Padmanabh Mandir, Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir. Like this 12 Mandir from Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. And then live money 1, live money 2, live money 3, live money 4, live money 5, live money 6, like this up till 12. Then shadow mandir document of Jagannath Mandir, Puri, Odisha. Like this 12 shadow documents. Again 16.66% Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport and photo election ID card, marriage certificate, Mangal Sutra, 12 Banarsi sari and dhoti. Automatically the rays are moving towards Baikunt, Kshirsagar Dham, and from there coming to the documentation by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credits showing. We are becoming self-employed because self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit is government job. Then ISBN, the Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget. The ISBN, the books which has been written by Madan Mohan Malviya, Vivekanand, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Premchand, Rabindranath Tagore, Gitanjali. Shadow ISBN certificate of Vivekananda. Then Jawaharlal Nehru, Discovery of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, then the shadow document of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, My Experiment with Truth, Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi. These types of MPs and MLAs book, 12 Jyotir ISBN book. The shadows are coming from Satyadham. All have made their university. Rabindranath Tagore have made Shanti Niketan, Madan Mohan Malviya have made Banaras Hindu University. Vivekananda have made the Chicago Religious Parliament lecture and University, Ramakrishna Mission, Dayanand Saraswati, ISBN, DAV and other institutions, the shadow documents we are putting, and 12 Banarasi Sari and Dhoti, and 16.66% Aadhaar card, passport, photo election ID card, PAN card, and then the marriage certificate, Mangalsutra, all. We are all living in that. Then the Adi Shakti Jagamba, Durga Sapti and Devi Bhav. The sacred Mandir of Mother. The 12 Jyotir Mandir shadow documents like Vaishno Devi, Kamakhya Dham, Chinmastika Mandir, Patan Devi Patna Mandir, Sharda Mandir, Shardapur, then Durga Mandir, then the Mandir documents of Mahalakshmi Mandir, Mumbai, Kamakhya Mandir, Guwahati, shadow document. Then Vindhyachal, Jagdamba Mandir, shadow document. Then the Mandir, Chhatarwali Mandir, New Delhi, Kalkaji, shadow Mandir document. Dakshineshwar Kali Mandir, Kolkata, shadow documents. Then from there, family welfare 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up till 12. The rays are coming from Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, and lying in the documents 12 Banarsi Sari and Dhoti, 16.66% Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport and photo identity card, and employment, Mangalsutra, all. We are already living in that. We are signing the document by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, fiscal credit showing by the fiscal credits table, because this fiscal credit table is giving the constitutional track of the railway fare, as we have the aeroplane fare track. Similarly, this is giving the employment fare track. Then we have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House I. In Organized Self-Employment Ministry 19th session, I am trying to explain. Then we have to see the Mandir ISBN certificate of the different Varshkrit. The Surya Chandrama Navagrah Dhanvantri Kuber Tasudikbal Saptarishi Indra Sanghadi Muni Dhruv, all they are present in the Varshkrit, Hindu Varshkrit, Mithila Varshkrit, ISBN certificate, Kashi Varshkrit, Uttarakhand Varshkrit, Uttar Pradesh Varshkrit, Andhra Pradesh Varshkrit, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu Varshkrit, all the Varshkrit ISBN certificate we are taking, because different Hindu god and goddess we are worshipping. The rays are coming from the each Varshkrit Dham. It is reaching to the document Sardarpur, Lonar Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 84707, room number 5. And in that the work is created, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. Same process, 12 Banarsi Sari, 12 Dhoti, 16.66% Aadhaar card, photo election ID card, PAN card, passport, Mangalsutra, the employment, all we are doing. And those who are trying to mix, all are signing in the documents. What work we are doing, that is validated, given, because income, certain fiscal credit, certain work which we are doing, that is given constitutional validity by this, and we are becoming self-employed government servant. Then from 20 into 5 I am mixing. Then from here I am making 16.66 government, the Constitution of India, the Parliament, RBI, Supreme Court, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariat document, 12 Jyotir documents of the government, and the 16 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti, 16.66% Aadhaar card, photo ID card, passport, PAN card, marriage certificate, and the employment. All are we are living in that. In the 130 crore population, in 120 crore I have tried to explain. So then we are divided into family form into 20 into 6, that is 120 crore. 2020 Aadhaar card. Then we are putting from the Shardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, the 750 MPs of Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha, which who are working day and night. On the document path they will support, because this is a document path which is signatured. I have put from 31st August 1946 and on the current date when it will get validity from the Parliament and Vidhan Sabha, and 4,000 brothers and sisters of Vidhan Sabha, those who are working, all the chief ministers, all the lieutenant governors. On the document path we are signing from the Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Goa, Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, all are coming in the purview. When we are signing the document through the Shardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. By the fiscal credit table. This fiscal credit table is the constitutional path. By self-earning, only faith and trust on me and the documents which I have tried to put in front of you. 12 documents, 72 documents which are working. Shadow documents which I have tried to put. Shadow document. Because original document automatically, when trust and faith will develop automatically, because the rays are scattered. I am trying to organize self-employment ministry and budget by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. Automatically, the head of our organized self-employment ministry and budget will be our President of India and Prime Minister. Under him we will work, and the different governors of state, lieutenant governors of state, and chief ministers of the states, and all political party will be our guardian, and all MPs will be our guardian. All MLAs and MLC will be our guardian by the document signing system. And it is a document part if you put in your house in room number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, as I have told in Shardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. It is already documented path. We have to only make self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month for election Commission of India. Because we have already election of Commission of India made by Jawaharlal Nehru. These 6 rays are coming from the Kailash Dham Mandir, that is Shiv Shakti Mandir. We have already made Vishnu, Lakshmi, Ram, Sita, Krishna, Radha Mandir, that we have already made Brahma, Saraswati Mandir. All the books of Madan Mohan Vivekananda, the Jawaharlal Nehru, Mohandas Karamchand, all MP and MLA, ISBN certificate, Brahma Saraswati Mandir, Brahma Saraswati Puran, and that Mandir, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the Durga Mandir which I have told you, the different types of Kali Mandir, Lakshmi Mandir all over India, Saraswati Mandir all over India, and the Varshkrit Mandir, the different types of Mithila Varshkrit, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, all types of Varshkrit of Hindus. The Varshkrit, different Hindu god and goddess we are worshipping. This race is coming from that, and the Constitution of India. We are already doing 26 January 1950 in the documented form, but we are documenting in Amit Kumar Jha form, so that the self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, self-earning, self-work system developed by the fiscal credit table, which I am trying to explain on the constitutional path. This is the fiscal credit table. This is the fiscal credit table which is grasping infinite population and infinite profession. All the chief ministers, our prime minister and president can easily control on this, because this is the organized constitutional path. This is the organized constitutional path, like railway fare and airways fare. We 70% people are irregular in earner. Those who are having good job, I have tried to divide the job into two parts: 30,000 per month above earner and 30,000 per month below earner. And I have tried to explain the cost from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Aay and from the Governor House Aay. On the documented, shadow documented form, all the mandirs are already present. All the rays are already coming in the scattered form. I have organized in the organized self-employment ministry form. Why? Because organized life is always better. If the government assurance by our signing from the government of India, exchequer, we are signing, we are becoming self-employed government servant, and on that leave they are all our seniors, and we are getting senior organized self-employment ministry bureaucrats for our administration, and we are also having optional work because this is work from home, and also a organized office will be made by the organized self-employment ministry. We can contribute some fund also in that, so that government immediately do not also get pressure. And from the other hand, this fiscal credit table is giving a organized documented fiscal credit salary system. Fiscal credit salary system, immediately 100% employment by self-employment, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit is coming, and validation of our self-work is coming. If we are having cow also, that is also being validated. If we are doing petting animals also, that is also validated. If we are doing some truthful work, that is also validated. If we are doing social work, then also it is validated. Means validity of the earning is being given on our self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit. Because infinite population, infinite profession is becoming organized by the self earning, self work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing. This is the fiscal credit table. This is the constitutional path. As the landowner, we are coming under the purview of the constitutional document, which I have told you, 12 constitutional documents, which is under the organized self-employment ministry shadow document form. And this fiscal credit, we are coming from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Aay, Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham, each United Goddess Dham, and Government Dham. All are reaching these rays in the Shardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407. Room number 1 Kailash Dham race, room number 2 Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Vaikunth Dham, Kshir Sagar Dham race, room number 3 Satya Dham race, room number 4 Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham race, room number 5 each United Varshit Goddess Dham race, and room number 6 Government Dham race. In the document form, we are signing this on the document path. The document will be connected by us and to the Parliament of India and to the Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Self-earning government job system is coming. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Aay and the Governor House Aay. In the state, we are seeing from the Governor House Aay, and when we are seeing centrally from the Rashtrapati Bhavan Aay. The document is permanent. It is giving us life. It is giving us employment. Most of the 30% above person are already blessed by this. We have to be blessed by following the rules and regulation. Rules is we have to follow through the documents, the documented works, which will be also signed when the trust and faith is generated in organized self-employment ministry and budget. Because organized self-employment ministry and budget will give us self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing government job, and we will get fiscal credit salary on that. Fiscal credit salary will give us half pension, because as I have told you, I have tried to fix the fiscal credit salary on this. I have tried to fix the fiscal credit salary on this. Like suppose the illiterate fiscal credit salary is coming 4,950. The signature note salary is coming 5,625. The fifth pass fiscal credit salary is coming 7,500. The 8th pass fiscal credit salary is coming 9,375. The 10th pass fiscal credit salary is coming 11,250. The 12th pass fiscal credit salary is coming 13,125. The graduation fiscal credit salary is coming 15,000. The post graduation fiscal salary coming 16,875. The MPhil fiscal grade salary is coming 18,750. DLET fiscal grade salary is coming 20,625, and PhD fiscal grade salary is coming 22,500. Now this can be increased and decreased according to ourselves. As we are in the railway budget, we are increasing the fare of ticket up and down, 2% increase, 2% decrease, 10% increase, 10% decrease. This I have tried to fetch on the constitutional document. Why? Because constitutional document is giving a documented form. Every year from 2001 I have tried to present 2001 till 2021, and it can be continued because our population is infinite, 120 to 130 crore. 22% of the people are below poverty line. They are not able to earn. So by the fiscal credit table I have tried to arrange 4,950 fiscal credit salary. It can be decreased to 1,000, but that will be permanent, because a organized life is always good than the unorganized life. We are investing in different yojanas, but here all our political brothers and sisters, 750 MPs from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and 4,500 from the Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, all brothers and sisters of different political party, by signing the documents, we are making organized self-employment ministry by document system, and in that self-earning, self-work, certain caste, certain fiscal credit is government job. It is validated from the parliament and from the Vidhan Sabha side. You have to generate trust and faith in me and room number 1 to 6 of Shardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, BR, because 16% I have tried to take from Kailash, 16% I have tried to take from Baikunt, Kshirsagar Dham, 16% I have tried to take from Satyadham, 16.66% I have tried to take from Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham, and 16.66% I have tried to take from the Hindu worship Goddess Dham, and 16.66% I have tried to take from the government Dham. We are the sons and daughters of them. We can take court martial connection also. I have tried to make arrangement, because first we have to validate this concept. We have to acknowledge that this concept is good for ourselves. This concept is giving self-employment government job to us. We have to believe it as oxygen of work, because optional work are there. In sitting home, what good work we are doing, that can be validated as work. Immediately work will be getting constitutional validity on income, work, educational faith, and the fiscal credit table I have shown you. By that the salary is fixed from 0 to 18 years. 30,000 above and 30,000 below. The 30,000 per month earner below and 30,000 above earner have been already demarkalized on that basis, that those who are above 30,000 per month, no problem is there, and below 30,000 per month earner, problem is there. So administrative fiscal credit table has been made, because irregular income is common in India. 12 month we are not able to earn, like January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Our fiscal year is 1st April to 31st March, and then we are presenting budget on 14th February and 15th February, railway budget and the annual budget. So we will try to include organized self-employment ministry by self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, and by the constitutional documents, and by the Mandir concept. You have to generate trust and faith in me and the Mandir document, because we are the sons and daughters of this. All the names I have tried to explain. Further I will explain 12 Jyotir Mandir and 12 Jyotir Mandir of all Sikhs, so that we can become the sons and daughter in the constitutional document. If we are putting in room number 1 to 6 and the Aadhaar card of all MPs centrally, 750 MPs, and the Aadhaar card of all the 4,500 MLAs and MLCs, what we are seeing, a work system in room number 1 to 6. One family is working for the political development in very organized manner, truth and non-violence manner, from the 26 January 1915, and one family is industrial family, 100% devoted to the industries, and they are developing our country. One family is from the education side, the schools, colleges, universities, legal side, press side, and the legal lawyer sides. All are working devotedly in their professional sector. One family is of the family sector, who is from the house, controlling and doing all the duties of mother, grandmother, sisters, all. And one family is of truth and non-violence, who is trying to safeguard us. And one family is of government. From 26th January 1950, every year we have done 5-year elections. Every year we have presented budget, and every year 12 months has passed. But 70 and 30 ratio has been always there. Due to this, employment problem has always reached. And by this, clearing this, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing, and signing the documents, we are making an organized path. By this, MP and MLAs, and this organized path is also giving the organized path to the industries, because automatically by the information base we can transfer, and easily it can be transferred from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House I. The Aadhaar card can be transferred from the Kailash Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan to the Vaikunth Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan to the Adi Shakti Jagadamba Dham Rashtrapati Bhavan to the Brahmlok Rashtrapati Bhavan, Satyalok Rashtrapati Bhavan to the each United Varshikrit God and God Rashtrapati Bhavan, and to the Government Dham. 6 Hindus family, 16.66 into 6. Automatically the raise from Kailash Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each United God and Government Dham, all rays are straight. We are mixing in Amit Kumar Jha, documented form, and becoming self-employed government job system, and acknowledging it. We are getting a family connection from the parliament by the document system. Organized self-employment ministry is immediately giving a employment scenario between 0 to 18, 18 to 15 years. All the political party representatives can sit in the organized self-employment ministry and budget, and we also will work in that. Little bit investment from our side, it will give a boost up, because I have tried to control this fiscal credit salary below 30,000. 130,000 crore, 130,000 crore, and in that 30% we are taking above per month 30,000 earner. Below 30,000 earner, I have tried to mingle it in the form of fiscal credit table. Automatically, if we are earning more and more, we are checking it from the 1950 till 2021. Only 30% is above 30,000 per month earner. Rest are below. That means somewhere on the document side, by the fiscal credit table, we are able to mechanize our system of administration, and the documentation automatically will give us self-transfer, and organized self-employment will give us central session and the state session on the regular basis. And 6 types of work already will be sitting in the organized self-employment ministry. One will be sitting from the political side, because in that one is politician, in that one is industrialist from the industrial side. All types of workers are involved in that, and according to qualification we will set them. Then from the legal, press, or from the education side, all are sitting, because I have tried to put right of educational certificate in capital value, organized self-employment ministry, fundamental right. Means educational certificate should be given fundamental right by the capital value. What will happen? Self-employment capital will also come, because organized employed and organized self-employed will give a organized documented path. The person who is able to reach above 30,000 per month earner, they will be organized employed, and the person who is not able to reach above 30,000, they will be organized self-employed. Automatically, by the organized self-employment ministry system, we will give the organized setup to the organized employed according to the system as we are working in parliament, because some of the dear industries all are coming under that problem. And the problem of the working will not be there, because the rays are straight, and straight it is going in the hand of Prime Minister and President in the democratic manner. There is no pressure from anyone, and to the Chief Ministers and Governor directly, and to the all political party. There is no problem in understanding, because from Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, I am trying to explain from room number 1 to 6. If you are putting the Kailas Dham book, that is Shiv Puran, and the 12 Jyotir Mandir, which is already present, the shadow document, we are belonging from this family, and the rays are coming from Kailas Dham, and we are signing self-earning, self-work, certain caste, certain fiscal credit, we are self-employed. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan by, we all are present. Then from the Vishnu Lakshmi, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, eyes. The rays are coming from Vaikunth Dham and Kshirsagar Dham. 31st August 1946, present date. Already we are present. We have to documentally understand, automatically it will develop. Then the Shatidham, the 18 Puran, the 4 Vedas, all the books, the different books of Hindu writers, modern Hindu writers, who has worked from the 18th century till 21st century. All the modern writers who have achieved and they have made university, Dayanand Saraswati, Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, all. The rays are coming from the Satidham, and on that basis we are self-funding, self-work, certain caste, certain fiscal credit signing, we are becoming self-employed. Similarly, from the 4th Adi Shakti Jagadamba, all the 12 Jyotir Mandir, we are already worshipping that mandir. The shadow documents we are putting, the worship already we are making worship in our house, and the Constitution of India already we are working. We have to make the organized document path by self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. What will happen? By the democratic way, we are making ourselves self-employed, and we are putting self-funding, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, finance commission. We are already putting finance commission. We have already put 15 finance commission, and in this self-funding finance commission we will put the 30,000 barrier. We will try to give in the other way, fiscal credit and other types of fiscal credit we will give, so that the people will get a good atmosphere of work. And I have put organized self-employment, right of educational certificate in capital value. A organized employment, the politicians are also getting their voters, because we are getting earning, because every year the budget is being passed and it is coming from the blessing, because all the MPs and MLAs are going to their areas for the visit. So all the voters are also happy, because our political brothers, senior brothers who are sitting in parliament, in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Sabha, they have arrangers through the coordination of Amit Kumar Jha, because by the documented system we are already seeing from the Rashtrapati Bhavan, Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, and each united god and goddess Dham, and government Dham, that is constitutional Dham. We have documented ourselves. The transfer is in their hand. We can also option by self transferring into Calcutta, Delhi, Mumbai, Madras, and we can also live in the village. Fiscal credit is coming in the preamble wise organized self-employed number and organized self-employed number. The money we are arranging by the fiscal credit document system. One, already we are doing the exchequer work, and by the work which we are doing, this money can be zero also. If 10 rupees is fixed by the fiscal credit table, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees, 40 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, that means in 12 months we are getting 10 into 12, 120 rupees. And if 100 rupees is fixed, that means we are getting 1200 rupees. That is assurance from the government side. So we can easily do Somvari, Mangalvari, Budhvari, Brahaspativari, Shukravari, Ravivari, all these types of program, because Hindus are habituated of this. What will happen? A budgetary system and self-employment constitutional government system in a democratic manner. We are becoming the vote banks of the political parties also, and we are working on the self also. We have to develop organized self-employment ministry on the path of the organized way. That will boost up our economy also, and we will be always happy in the organized self-employment ministry and budget. This fiscal credit table, which I have tried to explain from the Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973600717. From the 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, we have to see. From the Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Sat Dham, Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham, and government Dham. From the Shardapur room number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to see from the Governor House High, automatically all room number 1 to 6 in the state government and in the from the central government. We can easily make this self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit system. Organize self-employment ministry and budget. Self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing is government job to one and all. For that we are working. Purchase this book. Organize self-employment ministry is requirement of today. Thank you.